Welcome to the third RTE. Hi everybody! Today we will talk about something very fun and useful. What is an essay and how to make one? So, pay attention to what I say. Stay tuned! An essay is a short prose composition that discusses an issue from the author's personal point of view. Essay comes from the French essayer, which means try or test. The characteristic of an essay, they are short, usually consists of 1 to 5 pages. Next is subjective, shows the author's personal views or opinion. Next one is argumentative, supported by data, facts, and logical reasoning. Next is free, not bound by rigid writing rules. And the last one is various, can discuss various topics such as science, social, culture, politics, and so on. What is the essay structure? The first one is introduction, contains background, problem formulation, and thesis. Next is the body, contains description and arguments to support the thesis. And the last one is closing, contains conclusion and suggestion. The types of essays are: first, argumentative essay, shows an argument to convince the reader about something. Next is descriptive essay, describes an object, place, or event in detail. Next is narrative essay, tells an event or experience chronologically. Next is reflective essay, discusses a topic based on the author's experiences and thoughts. And the last one is persuasive essay. It's to persuading readers to do something. Essay functions are convey information and ideas, develop critical and analytical thinking skills, improve writing and communication skills, form a logical opinions and argument, and last is influence readers. Some of essay examples are the impact of social media on society, the importance of preserving the environment, the role of education in building the nation, and so on. That's it for today's RTE. Thank you for watching. Bye!